This is the MOVA ViAX 300. It claims to be the ultimate next-generation robotic lawnmower that completely eliminates installation hassles with wire-free setup, intelligent pathing, and advanced AI vision. But is it one of our new top 5 gadgets? First, we have to talk about the start of your experience with this mower, the installation. We all know from anyone who's used a robotic mower in the past, the installation process is normally horrible. Boundary wires, hours out on your hands and knees. Well, thankfully, the MOVA ViAX 300 completely eliminates all of that hassle in one simple setup. Traditional systems require you to peg down physical boundary wire and install complicated RTK GPS poles in your back garden. The ViAX 300 offers a genuinely effortless wire-free boundary setup. It's powered by the UltraEyes 1.0 dual vision system. Instead of relying on physical barriers and external signals, the mower uses its onboard HDR imaging cameras and AI to automatically map your lawn. It makes use of a very simple and handy companion app on your phone to create a virtual boundary of your back garden, and it learns the layout of your garden in literal minutes. And thankfully, that means you can go from unboxing to mowing your grass in minutes without digging up your lawn and spending hours on your knees pegging in that boundary wire. But once it's actually mowing, how does it cut? Well, older robotic mowers use a thing called a bounce navigation system. That usually means they end up wandering aimlessly around your back garden, cutting patches here and patches there and leaving, yes, the odd patch there as well, like a pinball, but badly cutting as it goes. The ViAX 300 utilizes an intelligent U-shaped cutting pattern. By combining its visual mapping with smart algorithms, it navigates your lawn in a neat, overlapping and perfectly parallel line fashion. This highly efficient path planning ensures absolute full coverage performance in a fraction of the time, leaving your lawn evenly trimmed and beautifully striped with minimal effort. And of course, your garden is a living and breathing space, which means inevitably there are going to be things that are left out in your lawn, and traditional mowers would usually get caught up in these and it would cause disaster, whether it's a stray football, a errant hose, or God forbid a pet in the way. Normally, a traditional mower would cause disaster here, but thankfully, the advanced AI technology in the MOVA ViAX 300 steps in. Because the ViAX 300 features precise obstacle avoidance that can identify and categorize over 300 different types of objects. Using its dual camera system, it doesn't just blindly bump into things, it visually detects obstacles, calculates their size, and smoothly maneuvers around them. It allows for the mower to operate confidently and safely, and it gives you total peace of mind, even in a busy, everyday garden. And of course, because this is going to integrate into our smart home setups, we expect all of our gadgets to work together seamlessly, and MOVA has given us absolute freedom and complete control over this in the palm of our hand. Through the dedicated MOVA Home application, you get comprehensive remote control over every single function of this mower in that app. You can easily customize mowing schedules so it only runs while you're out, define specific zones, and adjust all of the settings on the fly. And beyond just basic lawn care, the ViAX 300 is packed with a few extra standout features that really elevate the experience. For instance, it features TrueGuard live video system. You can open the app while you're anywhere in the world and view a real-time video feed from the mower's camera, allowing it to act as a kind of intelligent mobile security patrol for your back garden. It also includes an advanced anti-theft system, so if the mower is lifted, it immediately triggers an alarm and sends a notification straight to your phone. Also, if you happen to have separate front and back gardens, lucky you, the app features a dual map management seamlessly to handle multi-lawn setups, and best of all, it functions at a whisper quiet operation, meaning you can just have your grass cut early in the morning and not wake up the neighbours. They'll love you for that. So what is the TLDR on the MOVA ViAX 300? Well, it's a remarkably smart and hassle-free solution for maintaining a beautiful lawn in a smart 2026 fashion, and it removes entirely the need to lay boundary wires and dig up your perfectly manicured lawn with its AI features and those UltraEyes 1.0 camera system. The intelligent U-shaped cutting path delivers an efficient full coverage trim that leaves flat gardens looking immaculate, and with an advanced AI capable of avoiding over 300 different types of obstacles, alongside an incredibly intuitive app, scheduling for remote control and all of those features, it takes all the stress out of your yard work and it gives you your weekend back. MOVA have smashed it out the park with this and have definitely made a stake for their place in the top 5 gadgets. But is the MOVA ViAX 300 one of your new top 5 gadgets? Why don't you let me know down in the comments down below. And if you want to find out more about this product and take advantage of the special promotion code, I'll leave a link in the description just for you. And whilst you're there, you may as well like this video, subscribe for more Top 5 Gadgets, and I'll see you in the next one.